Hey you guys, we're here and we're gonna go ahead and make another arrangement, and this is for I'm just gonna go ahead and use that box, my splenda box, just to hold it up because the shape of it is a heart and it's kind of hard to make it if I don't have something holding it up. I'm gonna start with removing the string, and this is for my Ray Dunn, and this is just a plant holder. But I fell in love with it when I saw it and I said home, because that's my whole theme of the year. It's gonna be home, my home, of course, my home, your home, everybody's home. It's important to have a home. So it is a gorgeous plant holder. I picked it up from Home Goods. So go ahead. I'm gonna use this beautiful checkered black and white ribbon that I'm gonna be using to hold it up. So you can use anything you want to hold it up, but I thought this would be very pretty just to hold it up. I'm gonna measure it to the same size of the ribbon I had before, and I'm gonna add it to the top, and it holds very well. Let me tell you, the ribbon under holds perfect. It's not gonna fall once you have it in there. Just measure it the same size or make it a little smaller. It's optional. It's up to you. Because I want to make like a summer arrangement in here since we are around that time. But look at how gorgeous it is. You could fit a lot of plants in there. If you want to go ahead and add real plants in there, that would look very pretty as well. They have different shapes of this as well with different sayings. So go ahead and check out my Instagram. I took pictures of all of them that I found that day, and I posted them just so you could get a look and to see what kind of plant holder you want for your house. All I'm doing is I'm going to add 2 to 3 knots at the top to make sure it doesn't move once I have it in place. Make sure you do 2 to 3 knots just to have it secure. You don't want it moving. It's ceramic and it will break. And once it breaks, that's it. It's going to fall apart. But yeah, I found this piece and I love it. It's becoming one of my favorite pieces to decorate, especially through the whole year. I can always change it around and customize it to each holiday. So I thought that would be very pretty. Go ahead and grab some wire cutters. Grab your favorite flowers you want to add for the summer. Whatever you're thinking of, it's going to look great in this vase. But I just wanted to show you what I came up with and what I end up falling in love with. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll link the link down below. I'm going to go ahead and remove the styrofoam that I had already from the Easter decoration. And I won't be adding any more styrofoam in there because I have a great idea of what I want with this and how I'm going to use it. I'm going to use some of these leftover tulips that I have from my other vases that I did. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below so you can go ahead and check it out. I'm going to go ahead and add this beautiful yellow callus. I thought that would be perfect for especially the whole season and summer and my theme. And I also have these lemons. I don't know if I'll be adding them, but we'll see right now. And I picked these up, I want to say it was Hobby Lobby. I also have this bunch of flowers. I have no idea what to do with them. So if we add them in there, perfect. And if we don't, even better. So I'm going to do a arrangement that's going to go to the side. That's what I decided to do. So it's very easy to do one of those. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. You're going to go ahead and grab your flowers and you're going to line them up, and not in a straight line. Of course, look at what I'm doing. I'm making some longer, some shorter, some taller. Just so I get every color in here, and when I put in the arrangement, you can see every color. Make sure you grab them with your hands in the bottom. I'm going to add the callus in there as well, just to give it a little touch of something different. You can add as many as you want or as little as you want. If you want white callus, that would be pretty as well in there. So it's optional. Whatever flower you want to use, go ahead and take it out because that's what you're going to add to your arrangement. This is another type of arrangement. It's not where I'm going to cut it and I'm just going to pick it into the styrofoam. No, no, no. We are making a bundle and it's going to be gorgeous when it's done. And it just goes one way. Make sure you add all your tulips in there. And once you have it ready and it looks just how you want it, you're going to go ahead and grab yourself a string, something like this, just to cut a piece off. And what we're going to do is we're going to tie it together, and we're going to tie it really tight. So you're going to grab yourself some scissors or wire cutters, whatever you want. And we're going to cut a good piece of string here just to go ahead and tie everything together, and make sure once you tie it, it's not going to move until you untie it and you wish to move it. So just grab a little piece like this, grab your cutters. Make sure you have a good pair of wire cutters when you're doing any project. I picked mine up at Home Depot. They were around $14, so they're really cheap, but they're really a good quality. So I'm going to go around this and I'm going to tie it nice and tight. I don't want nothing to move once I placed it how I wanted it. And this is what I'm telling you that it's going to look. Now, the next step for this arrangement is to go ahead and we're going to bend it. So I'm just going to move back my vase right here. I'm going to lean it against my box for support, and I'm going to bend this arrangement. You're going to see really quick. I'm going to show you how easy it is. We're just going to grab it and we're going to bend it where you want it to show. Once you bend it, we'll add it into our vase. But look at how easy it's going to be. See how it's going to be sideways? It's going to be like if you picked up a bunch of flowers from the garden and all you did was cut it and add it to some water in a vase. So you see how I'm bending it? That is exactly how it's going to come out. So go ahead and grab it, and you're going to bend it again until you have it halfway up the bouquet. So it's that easy. It's going to look so pretty when you're done, and you're going to place it in there once you hang it up. So we're going to go ahead and open it, and we're going to bend it even more to the top. You see how I bended it almost halfway? And that's exactly how you want it. You still want the greens to show and everything else. And then you're going to place it into your vase, and look at how gorgeous it is. It's going to go one way. And this is exactly what I wanted, and this is exactly how I wanted it to look. Look at how gorgeous it is. So once you hang it up, it's going to look even better. Go ahead and play with it, move stuff around. If you want to go ahead and add more flowers to it and you don't want it to go one side, go ahead and add more flowers to it. But this is exactly what I wanted. I wanted the arrangement to go one-sided. Something different, something out of the box, but when you do it, it's going to look gorgeous. And when you're ready to take it out, you didn't cut anything, and you can always remake another arrangement with those flowers that were not cut. Look at how gorgeous it's going to look. And trust me, once you hang it up, it's going to look even more gorgeous. So if you want to go ahead and add more flowers to it, you can always add, you can always take away, remove, and add many things under. You can add a little sign, a summer sign. You can add anything you want to this arrangement. It's optional, but it's gorgeous and I love it. I have it hanging in my hallway, and every time I look at it, it makes me happy. The colors are beautiful. They're spring, they're summer, and they just make me happy. And they're perfect even for Mother's Day. So you can't go wrong with these colors, and with this vase is so gorgeous. And yeah, go ahead and make one. I hope you guys make one. And if you do, let me know and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see what you came up with as a beautiful and different arrangement for summer. And until next time, bye you guys.